everyone and welcome back to my channel. I came today with this teal smoky eyes and they look really beautiful. They look really glam with this eyelash and this teal vibrant color. So if you want to know how I get this look, then please continue watching. So first I'm going in with the transition shade, which is going to be from this palette. So this is the Nika K palette and I'm gonna use this light brown color as my transition color. And now I'm gonna take my chameleon palette and from this I'm gonna take this color. This is like a proper teal color. So yes, I'm taking this pencil brush because I have to define some corners like the inner and the outer corner with this color. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this color here like in my inner corners. First I have set my inner and outer corners and now I'm gonna create my crease line with this, like just this much, and it is done. So now I'm gonna take the same blending brush and I have no color on it.
Where is my mirror?
So I have no color on this brush and I'm just gonna blend my crease. Like I'm not touching this or this color, like not going in with my inner or outer corners, just gonna soft my crease. Adding this concealer so that my eyeshadow will stick to it accurately. And now taking the same Nika K palette and it is in the variant Under the Sea. Gonna take directly on my finger. Oh yes, so I am loving it. And now taking the same blending brush, I'm gonna blend my crease. I'm gonna take this dark brown color for my lower lash line. And now I'm gonna take the same teal color that I have used for my inner and outer corners. And now in my waterline, I'm gonna apply this teal color kajal. This is from Lakme Iconic. Alright guys, so for mascara, I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Alright, and now for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Revolution highlighter. And now for my inner corners, I'm again gonna go in with this glitter from Hang Fang. And for lips, I'm gonna go in with this shade from Inglot. So this is a beautiful pink shade, like a pinkish nude shade. So yeah. And with this, I'm gonna also apply this lip gloss from Miss Claire. This is their transparent lip gloss in the shade 141. Alright guys, so that's it with this video, and if you have any other recommendation, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video.